Today we will walk you through the structure of eukaryotic cells such as an animal cell and a plant cell. We will then describe the function of each organelle within the cell. First we will show the animal cell.
Nucleus. The function of the nucleus is to regulate gene expression such as metabolism, growth, and reproduction.
The nucleolus is a region within the nucleus that serves as the organizing center for making ribosomes from ribosomal RNA and ribosomal proteins.
Lysosome. Membrane bags with hydrolytic enzymes that come from the Golgi or ER that can break down all 4 kinds of micronutrients. It has an acidic pH.
The smooth ER synthesizes lipids, participates in carbohydrate metabolism, and detoxifies unwanted chemicals, including drugs.
Rough ER has ribosomes attached for membrane protein synthesis. It also synthesizes membrane-bound proteins for secretion and modification, as well as synthesizes membrane made of phospholipids and membrane proteins.
The mitochondria are important for the utilization and generation of carbohydrates.
Peroxisome. Lipid degradation and detoxification of active oxygen species. It also contains enzymes.
The plasma membrane gives a definite shape to the cell and provides protection to the internal contents of the cell.
Golgi apparatus is the central receiving and dispatch center where proteins made in the ER arrive, are sorted out, packaged into vesicles, and shipped to the target sites. It also modifies proteins and ships from vesicles to other parts of the cell or secrete outside.
Centrioles are involved in the process of mitosis and meiosis.
Cytosol provides support of the cell's 3D structure and contains all organelles.
Within the cytosol and on the rough ER are ribosomes, which synthesize proteins with their catabolic activity. Ribosomes are made from RNA in the nucleolus. The mRNA binds to polypeptide in the cytoplasm, creating a protein, which then travels back into the nucleus to assemble into a ribosome. From there, the ribosome is attached to the rough ER, is transferred through a vesicle into the Golgi apparatus, and then back through a vesicle to the site, which is either a lysosome or throughout the membrane. From this, you have learned the structure of an animal cell and the different organelles within the cell. Next, let's move on to a plant cell.
There are many analogous structures between a plant cell and an animal cell. However, a plant cell has a few extra structures that an animal cell does not have. For example, the cell wall. The cell wall acts as a pressure vessel, preventing overexpansion when water enters the cell.
The central vacuole stores organic compounds, inorganic ions, metabolic byproducts, waste products, lytic enzymes, pigments, and water.
Plasmodesmata allows cells to share material.
And the chloroplast performs photosynthesis and amino acid biosynthesis.
This is the overall structure of a plant cell. Now you have seen the differences between a plant cell and an animal cell. Let's compare the two in a Venn diagram.
As you've seen on the diagrams before, there are many similarities and differences between a plant and animal cell. A plant cell has a cell wall, is more square and angular, has chloroplast and mitochondria, has a large central vacuole, and does not have centrioles, while an animal cell has no cell wall, is more free-formed and round, only has mitochondria, has smaller vacuoles, and contains centrioles. However, a plant cell and animal cell are both eukaryotic cells. They also have many similar organelle structures within the cell as well. To recap what you learned in this video, we compiled a video quiz. What cell structure is responsible for cellular respiration and for powering the cell? C. Mitochondria. DNA replication occurs in the C. Nucleus. All the following are in an animal cell except C. Galactosomes. What organelle has a pH of 5.0 and can break down all 4 kinds of macromolecules? C. lysosomes. What cell feature has the job of transporting proteins? C. Endoplasmic reticulum. Photosynthesis takes place in the B. Chloroplast. Blank can store water. B. Vacuoles. Which organelle contains proteins? A. The Golgi apparatus. The blank controls what enters and exits the cell. A. The cell membrane. Steroid hormones are made in the B. Smooth ER. Ribosomes are assembled in the A. Nucleolus. Great job, guys.